Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hello everyone, checking back in on PCLN NVDA TSLA NFLX CMG. Obviously, we're going to be removing CMG from this list. It does not belong here, but I'm going to keep doing it until we get this oversold bounce, just to keep that coverage going, because there will be a trade opportunity. Not there yet, but we are stalking that trade at this point. So PCLN on the daily time frame, some indecision candlesticks leading to some consolidation. As far as the bulls are concerned, this is very welcomed consolidation, as it's very low-key and healthy at this point. Still keeping exponential supports. We haven't even tested them on this consolidation, and we're trying to establish a new higher low. So the candlestick that formed today, not really convincing that this is our new higher low. Didn't see much buying of the dip off of that low, which right now is at 1990. If it breaks, we're looking at 1980, and then the higher low was down here at 1938. So anything above 1938 keeps the higher low intact. Weekly time frame, close above the upper Bollinger Band for the first time in 3 months. Very significant in terms of the strength. The bull MACD crossed the all-time highs. PCLN bulls are looking great and seeing all kinds of follow-through and very little bearish action. NVDA, new all-time high today. Congrats to the bulls. Finally getting through. No big push. Friday, low-key day, not really the ideal day for an all-time high, but the bulls will certainly take it. And our new higher low pattern, certainly intact here, 161.30, now 163.91. And the bulls remaining in control, riding this exponential support, and we're looking for continuation. 170 psychological resistance is the next target for the bulls to have. Weekly time frame, not really a strong candlestick. Very low range this week. It is the highest weekly close we've ever seen. And again, we did get that all-time high, so that's a good sign. But overall, not really the kind of breakout or push that the bulls ideally would have been looking for on that new all-time high. Tesla on the daily time frame today. We did break the inside bar on the daily time frame bullish. It was towards the second half of the day. Not really much follow-through after that. The level to break was 330.22, and we got up to 331.26. So we're still in a very tight range. And now the range that I'm watching is 323.22 support and 333.10 resistance. That's the range that I'm watching. Bulls have to break 333.10, and we actually have an inside bar on the weekly time frame to be watching, so that's going to be a range to watch as well. And that low is 313.45 and the high is 331.65. So tightening channel. Clear break is imminent either Monday or Tuesday in my opinion. If it's a bull break, the daily chart will see a bullish MACD cross, and the middle Bollinger Band resistance will be the next level we look at in the upper 330s if it is a bullish reaction. Netflix on the daily time frame, beautiful all-time high. And we had the inside bars to be watching here as well. We didn't break the low by 1 penny. We held a double bottom. Then the bulls showed up. The bull entry signal was 185.92. As soon as that level broke, that's the bull signal. And we ended up seeing a huge push to the upside. A $5 plus push once that trade signal was given. So that's where the opportunity was here this Friday. Expiration Friday, options. Saw a big time movement with that $5 move. And again, that clear break of the inside bar was the signal, and we're seeing significant follow through here. So holding the upper Bollinger Band support, continuing to all-time highs. Weekly chart is on fire, and the bulls are in full control until we lose the daily upper Bollinger Band support, which will indicate normal healthy consolidation is coming, but that has not happened yet, and we're now well above that level. Well, we're not well above that level. It's ascending so rapidly that it is going to be in play on Monday. CMG dumping to the downside, and what stands out is the closes down near the lows. So we have earnings on Tuesday, and it's hard to imagine how earnings could cause further downside from here. Seems like almost everything bearish possible is being priced into CMG. We have the RSI approaching single digits at this point, but that being said, do not enter this play bullish until we see bull momentum. And people see oversold conditions and they want to get in looking for a bounce. RSI alone is not enough. We need price action to go along with it. People were trying to get in, asking for entry opportunities in 410s. I kept saying as long as exponential is resistance, the bears are in full control. Wait for those exponential moving averages to become support. And here we are, $50 lower and still waiting with no sign of the bulls. So lower Bollinger Band daily resistance for 4 days in a row, exponential resistance for forever, and we have to see a bullish reversal candlestick get confirmed and close over the exponential resistance in order to even be thinking about looking at some bullish plays. So earnings are coming up. Again, potential gamble, a lotto play if looking for a bullish. Again, risk to reward right now favors reward for the bulls on the earnings reaction. But overall, this is clearly a very sick stock. And once the oversold bounce does get going, we should see a nice $30 to $40 move to the upside. 10% should be pretty easy on this oversold bounce, but we're not going to look for an entry until we see bullish action. We're not trying to catch the bottom here. This is a falling knife. We just hit multiple year lows. Look at the weekly chart. The lowest price was $352.96. We broke through that level and dumped. So to find the next support, let's look back 5 years from now. And the support that I'm looking at back here from 2013, 315s and 316s is where the next support I see is. Highest volume week in history, all bears. So this stock is in trouble long term. And once we get this oversold bounce, not only can we play a short-term oversold bounce, once we top out and see resistance and see the bulls tire on that oversold bounce, we can get another bearish entry here and try and ride this weekly chart into oblivion as it is so weak. So I appreciate you watching. Have a good rest of your weekend. We'll see you Monday.